business owner, I use Razorpay to receive new payments. But whenever a payment is failed, I wanted to send instant follow-up to that customer on WhatsApp or another communication platforms so that I don't lose that customer. In that case, I set up a simple automation which automatically captures my failed payments through Razorpay and send them instant personalized WhatsApp message in order to make that customer retry the payment once again. Sounds magical, right? So here on my screen, you can see a WhatsApp message which is automatically being sent to my customer for the failed payment. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step how you can automate this process for your business too. But before that, let me show you how it works by simply making a test payment using my Razorpay payment page. So this is my Razorpay payment page. Currently it is in a test mode, and here I've added some dummy details. So we are going to make a failed payment over here, and for the payment method we are going to select net banking. We are going to select a random page, and as you know that I want to make a failed payment, so we are going to select failure. And you can see we have successfully made a failed payment over here. And you can see as soon as I made the failed payment, instantly a WhatsApp message has been received on my number, because I've added my own number over here, that says, "Hi demo user, this is the customer's name, and we noticed that your payment for Midnight Elegance black dress could not be completed. Please try again to continue order successfully. If you need any assistance, feel free to reply here anytime." So this is how magically it sends the instant WhatsApp message follow-up to my customer with the failed payments. And I have set up this automation by connecting my Razorpay with my all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow, using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount. Type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, select Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So to build a new connection, click on this Create Workflow button and you can see three methods. Now if you want to create the workflow step by step, select Create from Scratch. To create it with completely using AI, select Create using AI. And if you want to set up your workflow quickly, then select Quick Builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat. It is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to explain my workflow to this workflow builder by adding a prompt over here. Let me add it. It says, when a payment is failed in Razorpay, send WhatsApp message via Pabbly Chatflow. And here, after analyzing my request, it is asking which Razorpay trigger should start this workflow. We are going to select payment failed, and for Pabbly Chatflow, select send text message. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. That means we have successfully created a workflow using Quick Builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here we have selected app and the app event, and we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account, and here we're going to click on this developer section. Currently my account is in a test mode, so we're going to set up the webhook inside that only. From here we're going to select webhooks, then we're going to click on this add new webhook. Here I'm going to add my URL, and for the active events I'm going to select payment failed. Then we're going to create a webhook, and you can see we have successfully saved a webhook. That means we have connected our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means you have to receive a response. We need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission submission we need to make? We need to make a test failed payment using our Razorpay payment page. So again here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So I've added some details. For the address I'm going to select the address, and here we're going to make a test payment. Here I'm going to select my method as net banking, a random bank, and for the payment we're going to select it as failure. And you can see a payment has been failed over here. Let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. You can see an instant response has been received over here, where we have received all the details including the customer details as well. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a failed payment, then instantly I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to this customer via Pabbly chat flow. You can use another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Wati, Intrack, WhatsApp AISNC, or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. So we're going to build a new connection over here, and it is asking for a token. So to get the token, you need to access your Pabbly chat flow account from all Pabbly apps window by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my chat flow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so to get the token, click on the settings, select API and webhooks. This is the API token. Copy it and add it over here. Then click on the save button. Then automatically your account will be connected. Then here it is asking for a relevant WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering my customer's number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new failed payment through our Razorpay. Instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter slash first, and here we're going to map the phone number. Then here it is asking me for a WhatsApp message. So here I need to enter the message that I want to send to my customer. Let me add it. Alright, so this is the WhatsApp message, and now here in the place of name I'm going to map my customer's name over here. For the product name, I'm going to map the product name, and here you can see this is the message, and I've used asterisks before and after some text to make that text particularly bold. So let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the keys, we are going to turn on this map button, and we are going to leave this field blank because I don't want to add any keys over here. After adding the details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, but before clicking on this button, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Alright, after adding the number, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a message on my WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new message has been received with the name hi test user, and this is that complete message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if you have selected a trigger as Razorpay and action as Pabbly chat flow, so that we're going to receive a new failed payment through our Razorpay, then instantly a WhatsApp message will be sent to our customer via Pabbly chat flow. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send instant follow WhatsApp message to all the Razorpay failed payments. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.